Hey Hank, this is Austin at Hunt Ford in Franklin, Kentucky. I was just taking a quick minute to show you this 2015 Ram Quad Cab 4x4 that you'd expressed some interest in. This one's got a good set of Goodyear rubber on it. You can see I like to walk down these body lines and let people see, point out any dings or dents or anything that I see. On this side, I'm not seeing any. This truck does have a spray-in bed liner. Like I said, it's got a good set of tread on it. This is a local truck. It was bought from us brand new. You can see it's got a Kentucky farm tag on it, so you know he was from right around this area. I'll walk down the other side here. All the wheels are in good shape. This one just needs a bath and a new home. Let's just see the front grille. There's no chipping or wear or anything. Sometimes you'll see some rock chips right here, but as you can see, there's nothing. This one does have keyless entry with it, so you can lock and unlock your truck. Show you the inside here. Inside's got the cloth interior. Driver's seat's in really good shape. This one has the jump seat there, so you can have that as a console or flip that up, and you've got a third seat there as well. This one's got cruise control, AM, FM, CD. Sorry, my phone was ringing there. Here's the back. This whole bench flips up, as you can see. Drop that down, you've got some more seating there. If you've got any questions, please don't hesitate to give me a call. My telephone number is 270-792-6938. Thanks.